Welcome back to Biology by Shravanti. Today we are going to learn about the reproduction in flowering plants MCQs. That means multiple choice questions which are useful for all the competitive exams. So let us start our topic. Before going into topic, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So coming for the first question, non-essential floral organs in a flower. Option A, sepals and petals. Option B, anther and filament. Option C, stigma and style. Option D, corolla. So non-essential floral parts of flower are sepals and petals. So our answer is sepals and petals. So anther and filaments are male reproductive part. Stigma and style are the female reproductive parts. So these are the essential floral parts of a flower. So and option D is only given as the corolla, but in option A, corolla and sepals are given. So our option, the right option is sepals and petals. So coming for the second question, which one of the fruit is parthenocarpic? Option A, brinjal. Option B, apple. Option C, jackfruit. Option D, banana. So parthenocarpic means the fertilization which takes place without the fission of the gametes. That means fertilization is absent. So fruit formation hota hai without the fertilization. So such type of fruit is called as parthenocarpic fruit. So our answer is banana. So our answer is banana. So going for the next question, chlamydomonas reproduce asexually by option A, binary fission. Option B, spore formation. Option C, budding. Option D, gemule formation. So our answer is spore formation. So zoospores, that is motile spore formation होता है chlamydomonas का अंदर. So it is an asexual type of reproduction. Coming for the dietitious anther. Next question, fourth question, a dietitious anther is option A, unisporate. Option B, trisporate. Option C, bisporate. Option D, tetrasporate. That means our answer is it is tetrasporate. Our anther which is a dietitious anther, so it is an a tetrasporate. Question number 5. In ovules, meiosis occurs in option A, integument. Option B, nucellus. Option C, megaspore. Option D, megaspore mother cell. This is option D, megaspore mother cell. So our answer is megaspore mother cell का अंदर meiosis होता है which leads to the formation of megaspores. So going for the next question, 6. Which of the following types requires the pollinators but result in genetically similar to autogamy? That means it appears as a autogamy. So what are it is called as option A, genatogamy. Option B, xenogamy. Option C, epogamy. Option D, clustogamy. So our answer is zeatinogamy. Here zeatinogamy is nothing but a transfer of pollen grains to the stigma of different flower produced on the same plant. So same plant का अंदर two different flowers present होता है. That means pollination takes place from one flower of the same plant to the same flower of the that means different flower of the same plant. So that type of pollination we called as zenatogamy. So it is similarly related to the autogamy. So our option is zeatinogamy. Next, coming for the seventh question, pollination by insect is called as option A, chiropterophily. Option B, entomophily. Option C, anemophily. Option D, so pollination by insect. So our option will be answer will be B, entomophily. Chiropterophily is nothing but pollination which takes place with the help of the bats. Anemophily is nothing but the pollination which takes place with the help of the wind. Hydrophily is nothing but the pollination which takes place with the help of the water. So the question asked is pollination by insect is called. So it is nothing but option B, entomophily. Next, eighth question, if number of chromosome in an endosperm of a seed is 21, so what will be the chromosome number in the secondary nucleus? So options A 7, option B 28, option C 14 and option D 21. So our answer is 14. So how 14 means? The endospore of a seed is triploid. So endospore of a seed is triploid in condition. That means 3n. So 3n. 3n is equal to 3 into, that is equal to 21, whereas secondary nucleus is diploid. So our question they has as secondary nucleus, that means 2n condition. So 2n condition is nothing but, here the answer will be 14. So our answer is 14. So that is the answer of the 8. Next, coming for the 9th question. In angiosperms, a male gamete is developed from a pollen mother cell by. So, in male gamete, how it is formed? So, first option A, 1 meiotic and 2 mitotic division. Option B, 2 mitotic divisions. Option C, 1 mitotic and 2 meiotic divisions. Option D, a single meiotic division. So our answer is nothing but 1 mitotic division hota hai with 2 mitotic divisions. 1 meiotic division and 2 mitotic division. Option A is correct. Next 10th question. Persistent nucleus in seed is called as. Persistent nucleus in the seed is called as, nothing but our answer is perisperm. Our answer is perisperm. Thank you for this session. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.